The MOMFANN Baby Bottle Washer 19-minute model combines washing, sterilizing, drying, and enclosed storage in one compact countertop unit, so you can retire the constant sink scrubbing routine. Its fastest cycle handles pre-rinsed bottles in about 19 minutes, which is a huge help during busy days or late-night feeds when you need clean bottles in a hurry. For more heavily soiled items, it offers deeper wash options that still finish in well under 2 hours, giving you reliably sanitized bottles, pump parts, and pacifiers without hovering over the sink. The dual-tier interior with a reversible upper tray is thoughtfully laid out to hold several bottles, pump components, and small baby accessories at the same time, making each run very efficient. 9 different mode combinations let you choose anything from a quick wash to full wash, sterilize, dry, and storage cycles, so you can match the program to how dirty the bottles are and how fast you need them. By automating the most tedious parts of bottle care, this machine frees up meaningful extra time to rest or focus on your baby instead of constantly washing and drying parts by hand.